guys, today we have my second ever video. It's an unboxing video, and this box is quite big for what's actually inside. It's actually, you know what, I'll just let you find out. So let's bust this open. Never cut towards yourself. So this is just the shipping notice, and then what we have inside is our pair of Vans. Yep, right size. Yeah. So, actually, I'll let you. Yeah. So, what we got today is a pair of white Vans Old Skools, which are very, very nice. It comes with a little off the wall sticker from Vans right there, and then it comes, well, also it comes with this, but it comes with a really nice Vans paper. And I had to pick these up because I have a birthday party I'm going to on Saturday, so 2 days from now, if you guys are watching this on Thursday. And I needed a nice pair of white shoes, so I decided to pick up these. They weren't a bad price either. They came to $84.75. If that focused, I can't really see or not. And yeah, I mean, that's all I can really say. It's a pair of just white Old Skools. It's a gray leather stripe, the Vans stripe. There's a leather inside right here. Got the license plate on the back, the Vans off the wall tag. Just comes with a pair of white laces, and yeah, really happy about this pickup. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.